Welcome to an exciting world of advanced mixing solutions with NXTmix. Let us introduce you to our cutting-edge range of magnetically coupled levitating mixers, designed to revolutionize your mixing experience. Our NXTmix mixers are not just ordinary mixers. They are specifically engineered to cater to the unique challenges of shear-sensitive products, ensuring gentle and efficient mixing without compromising product integrity. Let's talk about the superior construction of the NXTmix system. The standard configuration features SS30 for stainless steel with a matte finish, both on the outer and inner sides. This ensures durability, hygiene, and easy cleaning. Our NXTmix system is equipped with a remarkable dimpled jacket design. Built to withstand pressure up to 6 bar, this innovative feature optimizes heat transfer efficiency while maintaining a hygienic environment. And here's the best part, it's 100% drainable, making cleaning a breeze. Whether you need a load cell or prefer a jacketed or non-jacketed setup, we have the right configuration for you. Explore our comprehensive catalog to find the perfect fit for your needs. We understand that every application is unique. That's why we offer a wide range of customization options for the NXTmix system. Levitating bags offer a world of possibilities. With options for sensors, inlets, outlets, and even a sampling port, you can customize your bag to suit your specific requirements. Installing the NXTmix system is effortless. Simply dock the integrated drive unit by sliding it into the railing of the mixer container, until you hear a satisfying click. It's that simple. Now, let's set up the Levitating bag. Open the mixing container and carefully place the bag inside. Make sure to securely close the container to prevent any leaks or spills. Our bags are available in different sizes, giving you flexibility for powder addition ports. Discover the reliability, versatility, and ease of use that NXTmix brings to your mixing processes. Adding powder is painless with NXTmix. You can either directly remove the TC clamp and add the powder or transfer it using a separate powder bag for added convenience and control. We understand the importance of regulatory compliance. That's why our control system is fully compliant with 21 CFR regulations, ensuring that you meet the highest quality and regulatory requirements. Our mixers maintain the purity of your products throughout the mixing process, giving you peace of mind. Operating the drive unit is a seamless experience. Our intuitive HMI screen interface allows you to effortlessly navigate through controls and settings. With a 3-level password system and batch reporting data storage, your operations are secure and organized. Once you initiate the operation through the HMI, prepare to be amazed. The impeller magically elevates above the cup, thanks to its magnetic coupling with the motor. This innovative contactless coupling ensures zero friction while the impeller rotates inside the bag, delivering efficient and smooth mixing like never before. The cuboid design of both the mixer hardware and the bag plays a vital role in optimizing mixing efficiency. By avoiding the formation of a vortex, our NXTmix system achieves superior mixing results. It can handle a wide range of liquids, media, and buffers, regardless of their viscosity or temperature, supporting temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius. And when it's time for maintenance, our system is designed to be 100% drainable, making cleaning and maintenance procedures trouble-free. NXTmix is available in various sizes to accommodate different batch volumes and applications. Whether you're working on a small-scale project or a large-scale production, we have the right size to meet your needs. For tailor-made solutions that optimize your processes, contact us at inquiry@farmnxtbiotech.com.